Oh, good. Sound like a fucking dying cow trying to sing. Shut up!
Wherever I go, whatever you
understands
do,
the words that come out of my mouth. Shut up.
right here waiting for you. Under Jesus, you are a bitch. I will be right here waiting.
Man, shut your Guatemalan ass up.
Shit, if you don't start yelling in my ear. The tender
We bumping 100.
some say love.
Man, just shut up. Man, shut up, you Guatemalan.
Some say love.
Holy balls.
Is a razor that leads
Shut the fuck up, you fucking.
your soul.
Oh, that's why I'm on top of everybody,
And
bro.
I'm
80,
Yeah,
15,
I can't live without you.
Open the door. There's an outside world.
It's better
You
than
should go check
the
that out.
one. There's so much time.
Yo, Jay Gold, right now I'm questioning your sexuality. I'm questioning your sexuality. Mute him, I don't give a crap. You.
And I'm
thinking
thinking
get outside.
it's better than one.
Please stop. Oh, I know you like the boys playing, but
I'm better than you.
Oh, what are you better than me in? Everyone, shut up. Oh, yeah, nice comeback. A Call of Duty comeback, nice.
I know, bro. You came into my life and
off of my dog.
Shut up,
dang! Nobody wants to see me, man! And they're on our team. They're on our team. They getting muted, boy. Oh my god. You getting muted. You getting muted. M-U-T-I-D. I mean, M-U-T-E-D. Alright guys, let's go hard. Don't forget.
Remember what you wore the first day.
Oh my fucking god! I love you. I gotta give you props. I gotta give you props. Can you mute this kid, please? That was so funny. Bad. Oh my god.
Getting old, maybe it's not my weekend.
Fuck off, you fucking 2-year-old fucking bitch. You just shut up.
My weekend, but it's gonna be my year.
Dude, listen. Shut the fuck up. You fucking got no life in your house. That's why you fucking move. It's alright. Wow! That was the worst way to die.
Yeah!
Diego, can you please shut up? You're fucking annoying.
Don't!
Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and tell me you're free.
Alright, I'm just getting here and you're getting annoying. Shut up, please.
Listen
Not even a good singer. Shut
to
up.
all the people staying with me. It's just one peaceful melody, and it's all God for
So you're getting muted. Oh.
Short this.
It was horrible. This is a horrible trick shot.
I'm yours.
It was horrible. Dude, people are just
Be a friend, take a vote, I'ma take it out to the end.
Yo, shut
Now
up, the
that
J
I'm
Gold.
raining more
You
than
stop
ever.
singing. You
Told
garbage.
you I won't have each other.
You don't sound like Justin Bieber.
Stand
Shut
under
up.
my umbrella. You can stand under my
Oh my
umbrella.
God, this kid.
Ella, under my umbrella.
Oh, yeah, right, you're killing the song.
Under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Anything will never come in between. Living my entity. My foreign thing.
Let's win this game, guys, and you guys all have something.
I wrote this a long time ago.
Hey guys. Guys, I have a question. How do you guys prestige? I just got this game like 2 days ago, and I have 5 stars, and you guys is like...
Easy, you press the toggle mute button.
Colorful. Oh, you're supposed to press the toggle mute button, man? That ain't nice. I'm just a 6-year-old trying to play some COD. My mom bought me an Xbox this week. You don't sound like awesome.
Hey, he's just a 6-year-old trying
Sorry,
to play
buddy, but if
COD.
you're 6 years old, you're too young for this game. You're gonna have to get off.
Raw?
Are you sure?
Oh, I know.
Yeah, this is for 17 and up. Man,
I don't give a fuck. You suck dick, you like dick, blah, 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 swag.
Man, I don't like dick. I don't even know what dick is. I'm just like 6 years old, man.
You're like 6 feet tall. Like, what the fuck?
Hi, everybody. This is Hyde of Retro Kitty playing some mob.
What?
Hi, everybody. This is Hyde of Retro Kitty, and I got a serious question. How you prestige in this game?
What's wrong with you? Put your left hand in.
You hit the lobby leaderboard button, and then you press B real quick, and then you press B again and press up and push A real fast.
Shut the fuck up.
No, guys, this is what you do.
Shut up, haters.
Friend.
You
You put your left foot in. You take your left foot out.
Tyler and get the hell out, pussy.
Haters, you can suck my left testicle.
Probably be my last game.
I fought it.
I wear my
Shut the fuck
soul
up,
questions
kid.
and noise so I can watch you
Is someone strangling a cat?
Shut up.
control me.
Fuck up.
You got it down
Eat everybody.
to the top,
Faggot.
but there's something
You're a
that you
faggot.
forgot. What about love?
Faggot.
Don't you want someone to care about you,
You're a
Death
faggot.
Wish? What about love?
You're a
Don't let it
fucking-
slip
shut the fuck
away.
Holy shit.
What about love? Death Wish, I love you.
Shut the fuck up.
I need you someday. Don't tell me to shut up, I love you.
Oh my God.
just be friends.
This is being a fucking an annoying idiot, you fucking little 3-year-old faggot. Shut the fuck up and get a fucking life, you little piece of shit.
You won't say that to my
You're like
face.
2 years old, why the fuck wouldn't I say it to
Bring
you?
it, man. You're bringing my hair to your ass stuck in my hood, man.
I'm the fucking man. Yo, get it there. Everybody like it do ya. Go uptown New York City, babe. Spanish girls, I be like I'm a tola. Tell Uncle Lou about Miami too. Kevin Hart, what the women name must do. Get big, got a pop on the mistake, still get a brain from the thing.
Can't view them.
How you feel? 25 sitting on the 25 mil. I mean, you're bringing me myself with the peace, man.
Oh, let's do Arcanine.
You know me so well. I
Yo,
will
kid,
tell
shut
if
the
you
fuck
lied. Cry.
Dude,
Why
how
are
do you
you-
get
guys,
games
hey,
rated M for mature, okay?
What?
How did the kid that
Why do
falls
we
out of
always
his
get in with
box,
the
how
little
did you get
kids?
this game?